Hello friends, in previous class we will learn about the quadrilaterals. Today we will start their types. How many types of quadrilateral? So let's start. The first type is kite. A quadrilateral in which two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. That means adjacent side. As we know that adjacent sides, two sides having one common vertex. So here we will see in the quadrilateral AB and AD are equal, BC and CD are equal. So it is the figure of kite. Second, trapezium. A quadrilateral having exactly one pair of parallel sides. A quadrilateral having exactly one pair of parallel sides. That means when a quadrilateral is given in which one pair of parallel sides it is given. Parallel sides means having distance between them are fit whenever it is increase. In the figure we will see that in ABCD here it is given AB parallel to DC. So one pair of the sides it is given parallel, so it is a trapezium. Now what is isosceles trapezium? The third definition, the third types of quadrilateral, isosceles trapezium. A trapezium in which a pair of non-parallel sides are equal. Pair of non-parallel sides are equal. It means, as from the above definition, it is clear that a quadrilateral having one pair of parallel sides, then it is called trapezium. Then the other two sides are non-parallel. It means if the non-parallel sides are equal, that means in the figure we will see that here the non-parallel sides are given AD and BC. If they are equal, it means AD equal to BC, then this trapezium is called isosceles trapezium. If the non-parallel sides are not given equal, then it is simply said trapezium, but the non-parallel sides are given equal, that means they are isosceles trapezium. Understood? A quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel is called parallelogram. See in the figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. So ABCD is a parallelogram because their opposite sides are parallel. The next definition is rhombus. A parallelogram in which all sides are equal. Means, as from the previous definition, parallelogram, in parallelogram all sides are parallel. And the definition of the rhombus, a parallelogram, it means rhombus is a type of parallelogram in which all sides are equal. See in the figure, ABCD is a parallelogram in which AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. There all sides are equal and it is a parallelogram, so we can say that ABCD is a rhombus. Understood? The next definition is rectangle. Rectangle, a parallelogram each of whose angle is 90 degree. Again I repeat, a parallelogram each of whose angle is 90 degree. means it is also a type of parallelogram. Previous definition, rhombus is also a type of parallelogram in which the sides are equal. Now in the rectangles, it is all angles is 90 degree. So here angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equals to 90 degree. Understood? So it is a rectangle. Now the last definition is a square. A rectangle in which all sides are equal. It means a square is a type of rectangle in which all sides are equal. And rectangle is what? In which all angles are equal. That means all angles are measured 90 degree. Then a square definition is a rectangle in which all sides are equal. That means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, as well as all angles, that is angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D, they all are equals to 90 degree. So these are the types of the parallelogram which it is defined. Understood? We can see it by a flow chart and understand it easily. See the flow chart. Quadrilaterals in three, kites, trapezium and parallelogram. So kite, trapezium and parallelogram. Kite is quadrilateral, trapezium is also quadrilateral and parallelogram is also quadrilateral. Now kite has only one figure. Trapezium further defined isosceles trapezium and parallelogram having three more types, that is rhombus, rectangle and a square. So this can be easily understood that quadrilateral having three types: kite, trapezium and parallelogram. After further that, trapezium has only one more type, that is isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium means their non-parallel sides are equal. Now parallelogram having the three types. Parallelogram having three more types, that is rhombus having all sides equal. A parallelogram having all sides are equal, then it is called rhombus. Rectangle, a parallelogram in which all angles are 90 degree, that is called rectangle. And a square, a parallelogram in which all angles and all sides are equal. So it is square. So we can easily understood by this flowchart which having the parallelogram, which having the quadrilaterals. Understood? So these are the types of the quadrilaterals. In the next class we will learn about the properties of parallelograms. Thanks.